Hello?
Hello, good afternoon. This is Zina from this call is recorded for quality assurance purposes. Can I speak to
Ako po? Sino? Bakit po?
Si Gina po ito, calling on behalf of
Hindi pa naman po ako due.
regarding your notice na lumagpas kayo sa due date from your previous installments. So, by late payment fees, to recommend na isettle ng maaga ang due amount na 755 pesos and 6 centavos on or before April 25. Makakapagbayad po ba kayo?
Nag-due na ba ako?
Pakicheck ka lang po sa app for more details.
Okay.
Mababayaran niyo po ba?
Oo, pero baka before 25 pa, before ng due pa, or mismong due, 25.
Noted on this. Kung may other concerns kayo about your loan, feel free po to contact us via GCash Help Center in the GCash app. Thank you for taking my call and have a